Ever wondered what makes some wooden masterpieces glow with an almost magical warmth, standing the test of time for centuries? Today, we're diving deep into the secret world of mahogany wood craft art, revealing why this timber is revered by artisans worldwide. From grand furniture to intricate carvings, mahogany has been the choice of royalty and master craftsmen for hundreds of years. But what is it about this particular wood that elevates it from mere timber to a canvas for unparalleled artistry? In this video, we'll explore its rich history, uncover its unique properties, and reveal the techniques that transform it into breathtaking works of art. Get ready to discover the true essence of mahogany. What are the secret of mahogany wood craft art? What are some specific tools commonly used for mahogany woodworking? What are the best brands for hand planes used with mahogany? What are some common mistakes to avoid when working with mahogany? Welcome to our exploration of the secret of mahogany wood craft art. Mahogany has long been celebrated for its rich, warm tones and exceptional workability, making it a favorite among artisans and woodworkers alike. In this video, we'll uncover the unique characteristics of mahogany that set it apart, from its stunning grain patterns to its durability and resistance to warping. Join us as we delve into the techniques and tips that will help you master the art of crafting with mahogany. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, you'll discover how to harness the beauty of this magnificent wood to create stunning pieces that stand the test of time. Let's unlock the secrets together and elevate your woodworking skills. Mahogany wood is renowned for its rich color, durability, and fine grain, making it a favorite among artisans and woodworkers. Its deep reddish-brown hue not only adds elegance to any piece, but also ages beautifully over time, developing a unique patina. Key features of mahogany wood. Workability. Mahogany is relatively easy to work with, allowing for intricate designs and smooth finishes. Stability. It resists warping and shrinking, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Versatility. Suitable for furniture, cabinetry, musical instruments, and decorative items. Crafting tips. Choose quality material. Look for premium-grade mahogany to ensure the best results. Finishing techniques. Use oils or varnishes to enhance its natural beauty and protect the wood. Design inspiration. Consider classic styles like carved furniture or modern minimalist pieces to showcase mahogany's elegance. With its timeless appeal and versatility, mahogany wood craft art can not only beautify spaces, but also be a profitable venture for skilled artisans. Embrace the secret of mahogany wood and let your creativity flourish. What are some specific tools commonly used for mahogany woodworking? Here are some specific tools commonly used for mahogany woodworking. Hand tools. Chisels for fine detailing and joinery work. Hand plane to smooth and shape the wood surface. Saws. Dovetail saw for precise cuts in joinery. Panel saw for cutting larger pieces. Rasps and files for shaping and smoothing edges. Power tools. Table saw, essential for making straight cuts and rip cuts. Jigsaw, useful for curved cuts and intricate designs. Router, for adding decorative edges and shaping wood. Drill, for making holes and driving screws. Bandsaw, great for cutting curves and resawing lumber. Finishing tools. Sanders. Orbital sander, for smooth finishes. Detail sander, for intricate areas. Spray gun, for applying finishes evenly. Brushes, for hand-applying stains and finishes. Safety gear. Safety glasses, to protect your eyes from dust and debris. Dust mask, to avoid inhaling wood dust. Hearing protection, when using loud power tools. These tools will help you effectively work with mahogany, allowing for precision and quality in your woodworking projects. What are the best brands for hand planes used with mahogany? Here are some of the best brands for hand planes that are highly regarded for use with mahogany. 1. Lie-Nielsen, known for high-quality craftsmanship, offers a variety of hand planes, including smoothing, jack, and block planes. 2. Stanley, the classic choice for many woodworkers. Models like the Stanley No. 4 smoothing plane are popular for their reliability and effectiveness. 3. Veritas, a premium brand from Lee Valley Tools, offers innovative designs and features, including adjustable mouth and ergonomic handles. 4. Wood River, known for providing excellent value. Their planes are well-made and suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. 5. Record, a British brand with a long history in woodworking, offers durable hand planes that are often favored for their smooth operation. 6. Hawk Tools specializes in high-quality replacement blades and custom planes, known for their solid construction and precision. 7. Nerx, a Czech brand offering affordable options. Their hand planes are well regarded for quality and performance. 8. Rob Cosman, known for high-performance hand planes, particularly for woodworking enthusiasts, offers a range of planes designed for optimal performance. These brands are trusted by woodworkers for their durability, precision, and ability to handle the fine grain of mahogany effectively. Which of these brands offer the best value for the price? If you're looking for the best value for the price among hand plane brands suitable for mahogany, consider the following. 1. Stanley. Best value. Stanley hand planes, especially models like the No. 4 smoothing plane, offer solid performance at an affordable price. They are widely available and have a long-standing reputation. 2. Wood River. Excellent value. Known for providing good quality without breaking the bank, Wood River planes are often recommended for both beginners and experienced woodworkers looking for reliable tools. 3. Nerx. Affordable quality. Nerx offers well-made hand planes at lower price points compared to premium brands. They are a great option for those who want quality without a hefty investment. 4. Hawk Tools. Good investment. While their planes can be slightly higher in price, the quality and performance justify the cost, especially for serious woodworkers looking for longevity. 5. Record. Traditionally priced, Record planes typically offer good performance and durability, making them a sound choice for those seeking value in a well-established brand. Recommendation. For the best overall value, Stanley and Wood River stand out as excellent choices due to their balance of quality, performance, and affordability. Nerx is also a great pick for those on a budget who still want reliable tools. What are some common mistakes to avoid when working with mahogany? Here are some common mistakes to avoid when working with mahogany. 1. Not prepping the wood properly. Mistake: skipping sanding or not adequately preparing the surface. Tip: always sand mahogany thoroughly to remove any rough spots and ensure a smooth finish. 2. Using the wrong tools. Mistake: using dull or inappropriate tools can lead to poor results. Tip: ensure your tools are sharp and suited for hardwood. Hand planes and chisels should be well maintained. 3. Ignoring wood grain direction. Mistake: cutting or planning against the grain can cause tear out. Tip: always identify the grain direction before making cuts. 4. Overlooking moisture content. Mistake: failing to acclimate the wood can lead to warping or cracking. Tip: allow mahogany to acclimate to your workspace's humidity and temperature before starting your project. 5. Choosing the wrong finish. Mistake: using finishes that don't complement mahogany's natural beauty. Tip: opt for oils or clear finishes that enhance the wood's rich color without obscuring its grain. 6. Neglecting safety precautions. Mistake: not using safety gear when sanding or cutting mahogany can expose you to harmful dust. Tip: always wear a dust mask, goggles, and hearing protection. 7. Inadequate jointing and gluing. Mistake: poorly prepared joints can lead to weak structures. Tip: ensure surfaces are flat and clean before gluing, and use appropriate clamps for an even bond. 8. Rushing the process. Mistake: hurrying through crafting can compromise quality. Tip: take your time to plan, measure, and execute each step carefully. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll ensure that your mahogany projects turn out beautifully and last for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of mahogany woodcraft art. We hope you've discovered the unique qualities and endless possibilities that mahogany offers for your creative projects. Remember, whether you're crafting elegant furniture or intricate decorative pieces, the key to success lies in patience and practice. Embrace the beauty of this magnificent wood and let your imagination guide you in creating stunning works of art. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more woodworking tips and inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your mahogany creations. Until next time, happy crafting.